After you've downloaded the Help Desk app from the App Store, you can go ahead and log in. Mine has the face recognition set up. So I'll just log out and show you that you need to add /API/ to your server up here in the settings in order for you to log in. So I'll go ahead and click login. Now I'm going to go ahead and add an asset by using the barcode scanner. So I'm going to click on assets. Now what you're seeing is a list of all the assets in the system. So what I would do from here is click on the barcode picture at the top and then go ahead and scan the barcode that's on the asset. Now if you notice right here under serial number, it has added what was on the barcode. Now for me to add this asset, I need to fill in the required fields of asset number and the asset name, and then the asset type and the asset status. And then I can go ahead and save that. So now that asset has been added to the database. So as a technician, when I'm working a ticket, if this asset is what the ticket is concerning, I can open that ticket up. I would click on edit, scroll down to where it says asset. It's got the barcode picture again. So I would go ahead and click on that, scan that barcode, and if you notice, it puts the name in there, Dell CPU, the one that I just added, and then I would click save. Of course, the messages are going to come up to add a comment. I'll go ahead and cancel that and go back to my list of tickets. And now I can go back into that ticket, scroll down, and see that that asset has been attached to this ticket.